In this video, I'm going to show you how to open FB Markets account. Now first you have to go to their official website, and after that here you'll be able to see a bunch of different things. You can hover over quick start over here, and then you can see you have two options to either open a live account or a demo account. So that's completely up to you, whichever one you want to do. If you want to open up a demo, click over here, and for the live one, click over here. Now if you're actually doing your demo account, you'll be able to put in your personal info, and then after that just download and install the platform, and then you'll be able to start trading. Okay, so here's your info you need to provide, and then click on save and next. Or if you're actually trying to open a real live account right away, you will have to put in a few more information. So here you have the basic personal info, then you're gonna have to put in your further info, the account config, the declaration, and then you'll be able to start trading whenever you come to step 5. Okay, so of course it's gonna be a bit more of a lengthy process, but whenever you come to the very end, you've successfully opened an account with FB Markets. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.